At the same time, sir, in the rural areas, with regard to the dairy development, the government had announced an ambitious program, and I appreciate it, sir. That is with regard to the dairy processing infrastructure fund. They have allocated around 11,000 crores, and we have to see how it is going to be implemented and how we appreciate this program, sir. Sir, at the same time, in the rural areas, sir, after migration, the majority of the population in the rural areas belong to the backward classes, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, sir. Sir, with regard to uplift this section of the society, sir, with regard to the reservations, we had passed a bill and a law was enacted in the state of Telangana, sir, increasing the reservations up to 62%. Sir, Telangana is a new state. Sir, its demographic has changed, sir. Because of the bifurcation, the population of tribals, scheduled tribes, and the population of backward classes, and also the scheduled castes have increased in the region of Telangana, in the undivided state of Andhra Pradesh, the present state of Telangana. There is a demographic change. So keeping in view of the demographic change in the demographic conditions, our government, our state government, had constituted 2 commissions, and they made a report whereby the state legislature, the Telangana State Assembly, had passed a bill and an act was enacted to increase up to 62%. So the act was sent to the government of India. So we expected that the president will give his assent and will make entry in the 9th schedule of the constitution. So the president, in the first page itself, he has mentioned about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar's vision, sir. Sir, I read it, sir. The architect of our constitution, Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, used to say that political democracy cannot survive without social and economic democracy. Guided by this fundamental spirit of the constitution and committed to the welfare of weaker sections, my government is working towards strengthening social justice and economic democracy and ensuring ease of living for the common man. Sir, here I want to ask the government, sir. So what is your idea about the act of our government? The state legislature has passed an act and it is sent to the government to make a constitutional amendment to make an entry in the 9th schedule as is done by your government, sir. In the year 93, the then Chief Minister, Madam Jayalalitha ji, had passed an act and it was sent to the government of India. And in spite of the judgment of the Supreme Court, that is Indira Sahni judgment case of 1992, because of your initiative taken by your political party and your government, the then government of India had made an entry into the 9th schedule of the constitution. Sir, we are expecting from the government of India. And you have mentioned about the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji, about social justice. So we, the new state of Telangana, we have come before you with a prayer to include this act in the 9th schedule. So we expect that the government, while replying to the presidential address, they should come forward and make a statement that they are going to make